Well, are you facing volume too low error on your iPhone? Well, to fix low iPhone volume, you want to immediately check for debris in speaker grills. So if you pick up your iPhone, down below you'll find the speaker grills. You want to clean that around it, and you want to see any debris if it is stuck there, and you want to clean that up immediately, and that should help if it is the issue with due to debris. You also want to ensure and check your switch. So scroll on the notification panel, see the volume icon. You want to toggle it high if you want loud volume, and make sure it is not low or turned off and such issue. Now, if you have enabled Bluetooth, toggle off any Bluetooth as it can still be connected with any other devices. So you want to toggle that off to ensure audio isn't playing through connected headphones or speakers. And also some cases that you use can block. So you want to make sure you have the access for your speakers. So for my iPhone, it is exactly, you can see these holes, it is exactly where my speakers are. So I don't have any problems, but you might be having that problem. So you want to check that out as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe, and also do not forget to leave the comments down below.